What's up, guys? I never thought I would be making this video. This is surreal, and this is something that I don't know how to say it. I thought about it and like I've dreamt about it, but I never heard this happen before. And honestly, it hurts. You know, like just out of nowhere, it just completely just goes to shit, basically. And I know you guys came to see what happened, but let me show you how the wheel's supposed to look, man. Alright, and I'm showing you the side view so you can see how it sits flush with the body and it sits flush with the back wheel over here. This it's the wheel that broke. Yeah, I didn't turn the wheel or anything. Look at this. Damage, man. Damage.
Now that's a lot of damage!
What I'm thinking is I'm gonna go ahead and lift the car just so I can take out, at least I can try to take out the damn wheel, man. But here it goes to show you that cheaping out on coilovers ain't fun, man. For reals. Be careful with what you buy, guys. Alright, guys, so this is actually what I'm dealing with. So it looks like, so this is all threads, right? And it looks like it kind of maxed out, but it kept, with this thing, kept pushing this bottom piece down, what it looks like. So the only thing I think I need to do is to get this part out. So basically this is the end link. One of the things that I was talking in one of my earlier videos, that I need to change that part, because what it does is, because it's just one solid piece, it makes this to kind of like scoot to the side, so it doesn't have a good solid kind of just place. It just keeps going back and forth. So I'm pretty sure that's one of the things that messed up all this. The other thing, I don't know if you guys can see this part right here, it's completely bent. But yeah, this looked like it was hitting something, and as you can hear, the threads don't sound too good, but it still kind of moves around. As you can see, it's always right here, which is kind of touching this part. I'm sorry if I'm not recording well, I'm trying to figure things out. There's threads that have been messed up right here as well. All this is the end of pretty much all this bar, so it already maxed out. This maxed out, so this was, I guess, pushing this down. Then this part just kept on twisting until this popped out. So I've been sitting here for about 10 minutes trying to think, what am I gonna do? And honestly, the only thing I have left to do right now is just freaking call a towing company, get the car towed to freaking mechanic shop or a suspension that does suspensions or something. I don't have the tools, and this is just it's something so unexpected that it gets you by surprise, but it sucks at the same time, you know? I hope you don't, to be honest. I talked about this part too, and I said that this part needs to be changed, the end link. And I called it, and I just waited too long on that, I guess. What's up, everybody? Welcome back. It's clearly another day, and now we got the piece that we needed. This one, it's actually the end link, the thing that I was telling you about. So let's see if you can see right here, it's the top part, and then we have the bottom part right here. So what I'm gonna do is basically just try and switch it. Now this one looks longer than the one that we bought, but that one's adjustable, so hopefully it works. Other than that, I don't know what else I'm gonna do, but we're trying to make some progress. Alright, guys, so here's the old end link. This is a new one. As you can see, the size difference. I don't know if that one's actually gonna fit, but we'll try. Also, you can see that this one's completely bent out of shape. The bushings are completely destroyed, and yeah, that it was a really bad end link already. So we're switching it with this new one from Blox Racing. So let's see if this one's gonna actually replace this one. If not, I'm gonna have to buy a new one that has to be almost the same size as this, I guess. All right, fellas. So as you can see, I already attached this part. Now I'm running into a problem where right here, it's not exactly right here. I think it's in the back. There's like the threads are messed up or something, so this black part doesn't go all the way up, which means that what we're gonna have to do is try to get this. I haven't still gotten screw in yet, at least the threads to the base of it. But what I'm trying to do is, this is hard right now. So what I'm trying to do is kind of like just twist it, but it's already to the max where it doesn't want to twist anymore. What we're gonna do is separate this two, bring them down so this spring can come loose a little bit, so there's no pressure on it. That way, when we try to screw this on, it's easier. And then after that, we just tighten everything up. All right, guys. So quick update. I ended up taking out the one on the other side of the cart, so on the passenger side. Ended up taking out the other end link, and now this, where is it at? Right here. So this gives us enough play so this can move up and down, so then we can actually make it go to that one. But I'm not gonna put it just yet, just because I need to lower this part, see how much gap I'm gonna leave between this two parts, and then try to adjust it so the car sits flush, just like how the back was sitting before this happened. So I'm gonna fiddle with it a little bit more and update you as we go. Now the only thing missing is try to tighten this much more down to this, because you see how much play we have right here, and the other one has less than that. So we're gonna try to make this go all the way down, if anything. And then the other thing we need to do also is put the new end links together. So pretty much that, and then do the same thing on the other side, and we should be done. All right, guys. Hey, we got Curvin in the back. He's holding the camera and came to help out. So there's only a few things that we have left after all that we have done. What I'm thinking is putting back the wheels on the car, because right now the actual end links don't reach the top part of the coilover where it needs to attach. So we're gonna put the wheels back, try to turn them as much as possible so we have enough gap to get in there, and then tighten the bolts. And then tomorrow morning, now the one that actually came off, the suspension that came off, that one I couldn't put it all the way back in, that's what she said. But what we're gonna do is basically just tighten it as much as possible, that's what she said. And then we're gonna go to the shop tomorrow to pretty much let them do the alignment and anything that the car needs to do. I don't have any tools, and then the space is limited to do alignment here. You know what that means, we're done. It took, let's see, I started working on it at like 6:20, something like that. We finally finished. You can see the whole car is flush. Same with this side, both of them are flush. In total for this repair, I probably spent like $46, and then for what are you doing? He's just walking around. Yeah, I think I'd spend like $46 to $48. Other than that, I mean, the car looks. Here, let me put the truck down. I think the car is more.
Oh wait! Oh damn it! Your fucking case.
Fuck it. I'm gonna buy a new one anyways. It's fine.
This car's in fight.
Yeah, we're done. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.